Guys, if you look behind me, you'll see the most amazing escarpment views, all which could be part of your backyard in your own custom build. Here at Van Geese Group, we're known to help people looking to buy or source land for their own custom home, and we've got the most amazing lot for you. We're in Dundas today, and if you take a look around, you will see unlimited potential, unlimited views in your backyard. Any questions you guys have, feel free to reach us at the number below. We'll be happy to help in any way possible.
You're a sky full of stars. I wanna die in your arms. Oh, oh. 'Cause you get light.